Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I made a video and had this up in the corner of one of the screens, and somebody saw it and said, "How did you do that?" It's not that unique, but it is kind of unique because it's got these blocks and I interlaced them interactive, where one's on top of the other, which didn't really work that well, and that's why I wasn't going to do a video. But how I made it, and probably the most interesting part is the center is a circle. So what you do, we're going to take a square, doesn't matter what size, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And I think, if I remember right, I Control D, then I rotated it 10 degrees. And then I Control D and Control D. Now, I took the virtual segment delete key and I deleted that line and then these two lines. And because I started in the center of the page, I could get the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to, maybe we'll go with that green, we'll go with red, and we'll go with yellow. Now, I can alternate or use the alternate key to just swipe through there, and it'll select my squares, and I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to group these together, Control G, and because I worked in the center of the page, I'm going to bring in indexing lines, and these two are probably in the center of the page. So I'm going to hit P and P. So these two are in the center line. So now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and move the center rotation of this center. I'm not even close. Let's try it again. There we go. And because 10 degrees, now I need to do it 30 degrees because I have 3 of them. And then Control D, go 60 degrees, and then from here on out you shouldn't have to touch it. But see how you have rounded or octagon shaped edges? Well, this is how I did that. I Control G to group it, and then I'm going to draw an ellipse, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center. Way too big. But if I hold down the Shift key, it will grow from the inside out. And then all I have to do is take this and go up here and trim it. And look at that, there's your circle. I'm going to take away the outline, and you have that idea. Now, same thing, and on plenty of times, the interactive fill tool, or to make that look like it's locked together, this is all grouped together, so we're going to hit P and hit the plus key. We don't need our indexing lines anymore. And just kind of move this over. And I've done a lot of video. This one might not look as good because I don't like the colors, but if you will take a rectangle, making sure you're getting all this piece in it. See, I'm not, well, that red piece doesn't really matter, but I can lift it up. And I am going to shift select this one, and I am going to go to intersect, and I'm going to intersect that. And what that did, that put that over there. Get rid of my rectangle. Take this, go up to Object in Order and back a page. And then when we move this one back, it appears that this side is on top, and then it goes underneath. Not that big a deal, but that's how you would make a round. I'm going to make it black, see if it'll show up better. Go up to Order, back a page. And it looks okay. I don't think it's as good as this one. I hope that viewer that requested that found out some information, and I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.